welcome back to my channel. So it is time for the Fab Fit Fun Summer box. I am super excited. I really like these boxes. I feel like this is what BoxyCharm Luxe is trying to be. And we'll see after this month, like, what comes in this one. I might just, like, cancel my Boxy Luxe and just keep regular BoxyCharm, because I do really like BoxyCharm. Alright, let's get all the stuff out of the way. Give you guys a peek. I already see something that I hate. Now, give me a moment. This is the Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Exfoliating Foot Mask with coconut oil and verbena. Smooths and softens intense hydration. This is what I hate. Let me give you guys a look at it. Maybe. Will you focus, camera? Try. Try hard. Nope. How do I do this? Maybe this is why people do it separately. There we go. So, I hate feet. We probably haven't talked about this because I just don't talk about it, but I don't like feet. I don't like my feet touched. I don't like to touch anyone else's feet. I don't like to think about feet. I don't want feet near me. Just stay away. I just don't like feet. So this is automatically going in my giveaway box because I will not do this to myself. I can't get a pedicure. It just grosses me out. Sorry. Like, yeah, it just, it's a $32 value. The next thing is Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I like a mask. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off the mask in a circular motion, then lightly pat your skin dry. I'm going to keep this one for show. Why I said that way, I'm sorry. You guys know I love the color purple. Let's see if I can get you guys a look at the packaging. There we go. Oh, it feels so nice. Ooh. Is that lavender in it? It's supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture the skin. Hey Candy, it's violet. I bet it has violet in it. But it smells like lavender to me. Is that the same thing? No. Okay, now I need to wipe this off. I've made a terrible mistake. This is the Kula Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray. Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray. Let's take a look at it. It definitely looks beachy. That smells really, really heavily of alcohol. Like, super heavy. Ooh. I don't... It smells like nail polish remover. I don't want that on my face. Ooh. That's not okay. I'm gonna I just opened that. Is that okay to put in my giveaway? Well, you've seen it now. I opened it and that's all. I sprayed it. Try to get it back in here. I'm not going to keep it because I have a ton of setting sprays and also I do not like that smell. Let's see, I currently have Cover Effects, BH Cosmetics, Cinema Secrets, Urban Decay All Night, Tarte Ready Set, ColourPop All Star, and an Urban Decay B6 spray. So I don't need another one, so I'm going to go ahead and pass that one forward. This is something else I'm probably going to pass forward too. I don't know. My friends seem to be liking, a couple of my friends seem to be liking these. Maybe I should keep them and try them. Let me try them. Oh, Candy, stop. Like, don't poo-poo things until you try them. My hair's looking great today. Why did I have it up? Because I was leaning over my desk all day. Ow. I mean, what's special about them? The answer to all your ponytail problems, this revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless? What's traceless mean? Who's gonna be like tracing your hair? Traceless, high wearing comfort, hair loving, strong grip, no soaking, updo tool. I don't know what any of that means. What does traceless mean? If it means you can't see it, that's a lie, because I could see it. Do they mean creaseless, maybe? Does it not crease your hair? Alright, this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. This is another thing that's going to go straight in the giveaway box. I do not like the smell of rose at all. It's one of my least favorite scents. I know that's crazy, but rose is not, it gives me an instant headache. It's always too much. So I don't even want to open this packaging, but it looks really nice. Mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply as needed throughout the day. Okay. Are we just spraying water on our faces and calling it something expensive? Because this is $26. This Coola setting spray is $36. I just don't know. I don't know. Okay, I think that covers everything on the back page here. Okay, so this is my mystery item. I got Cuccio Somatology Yoga Cooling Spot Therapy with peppermint and green tea, temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. Cooling Spot Therapy helps to relieve tension and stress after a long day, find more mental focus, calm, and clarity while resetting your entire mind, body, and soul. Made with essential oils and natural ingredients. Apply a small amount to temples or back of neck. Well, hell's bells. We're going to use that in a little bit because it's been a stressful week over in Candyland. It's Monday. No, last week was really stressful. Alright, this is the Vicks Paula Hermione 59-inch towel. Where? 1B. Take it to the beach, lay it out by the pool, whatever you do, this blue lotus flower is perfect for all your summer adventures. $50! Oh no, my battery's going dead. I'm gonna have to go charge this. I'll be right back. So let's take a look at this towel. Alright, it's kind of cool. It'd be really nice on the beach. Or as a cape. It feels nice and soft. I'm gonna wash it before I... Ugh. And my hair's crazy again. My hair is nuts today. Okay. Oh, there's a riser in there to make it look like there's more stuff in there than there was. It's funny. Alright, the last two things. Let's go with this one first. This is 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This is very hefty. Oh, it's a set of 5. $160? Holy crap! That's over $30 a mask! What is in these? Actual freaking gold? And it's a sheet mask of all things? Gross! All that glitters is gold, and that decadent treatment mask is no exception. It features 24 karat gold and Rosa Damascena extract to brighten, soothe, and hydrate your skin. What? $32 per mask. Okay. We're gonna try one. We're gonna try one, I think. The rest of them I'll probably put in giveaways because I really hate sheet masks. Alright, and the very last thing is the Jennifer Zuner Star Double Necklace. Starlight, Starbright, there are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one. $50. Oh, it is very dainty and cute. Let's see if this will even fit me, because I have a fat neck, and if not, I'll give it to my sister. She's been asking me for some jewelry suggestions. Is that seriously all as big as it is? This looks like a child's necklace. Ow! Even on the largest one, it doesn't seem very big to me. Maybe I really do have a giant neck. No, I don't like it. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. See if I can get it hooked. Oh my god, a mirror's a bad idea. It's like my brain can't comprehend how the mirror works. I can't get it on. And even if I did get it on, there, that's how tight it's gonna be. For me, I don't like that. So I'm definitely gonna hand this off to my sister. I think she'll like it. I like long necklaces or ones that come like down to here. So that's just personally not my style. So I will definitely hand that off to my sister. I think she'll like it. Oops. So now let's do a fun, I don't know, do we want to do the $32 mask or the clay mask? I think we got to do the expensive one, right? Oh, how FabFitFun works is it is $50 every quarter. I misspoke in my Boxy Lux video. But it's every quarter, and you get, you know, a bunch of full-size products, and it's really, really cool. But let us, first we'll do that later. Did I get a cleanser of any kind? No. Because I definitely need to clean my face. Okay, let's put my hair up in this cool thing. Trying something new with my hair regimen right now, and so far not good. Okay, we've got a bun. I guess it seems to hold fairly well, so that's good. I've got to wash my face. How should I do that? What should I use? Alright, so from my Boxy Lux, I am going to use the pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Let me explain my comments. There's a Billy Madison movie, the movie Billy Madison, he talks about chlorophyll, and that was what I was referring to when it said it sounded scary. He was like, chlorophyll, more like borophyll. It cracks me up. The kids I babysat made me watch that movie every day for the summer, and it's completely ingrained in my head. So, when the girl that I used to babysit got married, I bought her a copy of that movie, so her and her husband would have to watch it. Apply on damp skin and gently massage to rid skin of excess oil, makeup, pollution, and everyday grime. So, a couple of you told me that I should wipe my face off first and then use the cleanser. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean off the minimal makeup I have on today. And then I will go wash my face with that. I'll try to bring you with me, but my bathroom is not conducive to that kind of stuff. Like, the lighting is bad, it's small. Okay, face is damp. We're gonna use this cleanser. Apply on damp skin and gently massage. Ooh. Ooh, it kind of looks like snot. So we got that much. Doesn't have like a strong smell to it, which is nice. I don't like my skincare and stuff to have smell. I don't like most of my stuff to have smell, to be honest. It feels nice. If I get an upset stomach from this, though, I'm going to be really upset. Lactose intolerant joke. Okay. I think I've probably got it on my skin enough. Use AM and PM. Okay. Do I rinse it off now? Do I wipe it off now? I'm gonna go attempt to Neutrogena my face again. I'm gonna go wash my face and then we'll come back and do this mask. Okay, so my face is clean, dry now. I mean, I don't notice like anything spectacular happening from my regular cleanser, but I don't know. It says it's pH balanced. I don't know what that means. You guys notice my shirt's all wet. I just, yeah. All right, let's do this mask, this really expensive mask. Cleanse skin thoroughly. Done. Remove protective film on both sides. Apply the middle sheet evenly onto your face. What? Okay. Okay. Oh, oh. All right. Okay, well, okay, if you like sheet masks, can you tell me why? These feel so disgusting to me and just like goopy and slimy. I just hate it. Remove protective film on both sides. Apply the middle sheet evenly onto your face, keeping the eye and mouth area clear. Leave on for 20 minutes. Remove the mask, and let the skin absorb the remaining essence by gently patting the skin. Follow your regular regimen. You guys, this looks like someone's skin. Like I'm putting on someone else's skin. I am Buffalo Bill. For all you youngsters, you probably don't know who that is. Oh, the things I do for YouTube. Alright. Get off my lips. Alright, so got it pasted down to my face pretty much. I can't even take myself seriously right now. And now there's a mess all over my desk from all the gross that's inside this thing. Just the grossness. Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes. Maybe. It's already sliding down my face. How do you get it to stay? Do I have to lay down? Is there a trick? You can already see where I pulled it up and it's sliding. Hold on, we're just gonna stay here. I can feel it sliding down my face. So I'm going to just sit here and like read emails or something and try not to move very much, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so my face is sticky, I'm gonna be honest. I've had it off for 3 or 4 minutes now. I got a phone call, that's why you didn't get to see me take it off. I didn't want to hold my phone up to my face with that on, but I did reach the 20 minutes. It just all happened at once. But my face is super sticky. Like, I'm sure you guys can hear that. It feels sticky. Maybe it's because it's just damp still. I don't know. Did it do anything for me at all? I don't like those masks. I honestly felt like I was wearing someone else's skin. My friend sent me, hold on. I posted on Snapchat and my friend sent me the funniest freaking meme. Come on now. And honestly, that's exactly what it felt like. Dwight from The Office wearing the Recessa Annie's face. That's what it felt like. I just don't like it. I don't know why I can handle like a clay mask or a peel off mask, but those sheet masks just freak me out. Oh man. Alright, so the other 4 of those are going to go in the giveaway box for sure, along with this rose spray, just because I don't like the scent. This setting spray because I have so much of it and I don't like the scent. And the foot mask because your girl don't do feet. But I'm excited for this clay mask. The towel looks super cool. The hair thingies I've got in. I'm going to try this Cuccio Yoga Temple Clarity Peace of Mind. Maybe it'll keep me focused for the next couple hours while I edit. Hello. There we go. Oh, if you hear some music, I've got Borderlands 2 on in the background because that's what I was doing during that 20 minutes. So it said the back of the neck. And the temples. I do have migraines sometimes, although it's been a lot better since I cut out certain foods. Corn and tomatoes are causing me to have severe migraines. So I love the smell of peppermint. It always has calmed me down. Green tea. So I'll just sit here and like let this kind of soak over me. I'm going to play a video game for probably another half hour or so. Then I'm going to edit. Yeah. What did you guys think? Oh, I also have that necklace that I'm going to give my sister. What did you guys think of this quarter's, the summer's, this season, I guess we call it, this season, because they do it by fall, winter, spring, summer. What did you guys think? I liked most of it. Yeah, I was excited. I don't know why, but I'm super excited about this purple freaking face mask. Like, what's wrong with me? I am glad that I gave this Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic cleanser a try. I thought it did a good job. That was from my Boxy Luxe. So if you would like to get a FabFitFun box of your own, you can click the link down below. I think I'll try to do the link and the code, but usually the link will just take you there. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye!